All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjective. So only. Only. Just one thing. Just one thing. One part. She is the only person on the beach. Yeah. Only person on the beach. Those are only their plans. This is the only thing I have. That is the only book on the subject that I have read. Do you think that is the only path that they took? Well, they might have gone other paths, not just that one. We went to the only place like it. Yeah, I know that this is the only city that has it. Only city that has it. Nowhere else. Yeah. We're going to the only bar in town. Only one. Yeah. Where is the only bar in town? Yeah, over there. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. She wants to go to the only store in the city. There is only one store that sells it. Do you know where it is? Well, don't know. Yeah. That was the only place that has it. That's the only place that has it. There's nowhere else. Yeah. I might be the only English teacher that also speaks Spanish. I doubt it, but I might, adverb, be the only adjective, teacher, noun. I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah. So, only. This is only a lesson about English adjective, about an English adjective. Yes. So can you use only in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. By searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's keep exploring.